Welcome to 1 Minute Prop Building Tips, designed to help save you time, money, and improve your prop building skills. Have you ever had trouble working in a seemingly inaccessible spot? Having the right tools on hand that allow you to extend your reach will make the job easier. Alligator clamps and hemostats come in a variety of sizes with a choice of straight or curved jaws. Hemostats offer a locking feature which can firmly hold your part. Bent jaw pliers have a unique head design that can reach places regular needle nose pliers can't. Tweezers can be found that are either open or closed at rest. Having both will allow you to choose the right one for the job. Long-handled grabbers can be found with either multi-prong grippers or magnets, which are especially useful for retrieving parts lost in the depths of your build. None of these tools will break the bank, so it's easy to pick up your favorites. I'll have Amazon affiliate links below if you'd like to add any of these to your toolbox. If you want to see more content just like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon before you go. So until next time, keep on building.